everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a quick hair refresh. This is my day 5 hair, and I just did a quick refresh when you're on the go, when you don't feel like doing the whole routine. I just did it 1 2 3. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my hair out of my bonnet. I really highly recommend sipping one of these because your curls will last longer. Trust me. I don't know if it's just me, but I think I look crazy when my hair is up on a pineapple. So now I'm just going to shake my hair up, wake it up a bit. Today I'm going to go ahead and refresh with the Rizos Curl Strength Oil. I love this oil and it smells so good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and shake my curls up, wake them up a bit, and separate any big curl clumps that I see. I also like to smooth over the oil on my hair to help with any frizz and rub it on my ends to make my hair shiny and hydrated. Okay, so I don't usually always refresh with water, but on the days that I have a little bit more frizz than I would prefer, then I would go ahead and add water to tame those frizz down and those wonky pieces. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Rizos Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I absolutely love this spray and it smells so good. I usually just go over and finger curl those pieces that are a little bit wonky or a little bit undefined. I usually just like to do this on the front pieces or the pieces that are really like wonky looking. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let it play so you guys can see exactly how I quickly just refresh my curls. So now to touch it all up, I'm going to go in with the Rizos Curls Texturizing Beach Spray. I absolutely love this spray for a little finished touch. It definitely adds texture and volume to your hair, and it's quick for a refresh. I like to scrunch that in, and now I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair and come back with my results. So these are the finished results. A quick, easy refresh when you're on the go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe down below.